Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Robinhood and we are doing our dividend investing for the week. So, in review, investing $100 per month for 40 years will make you a millionaire. Now, that'll be a pretty good retirement. So, my timeline's a bit shorter. So, my channel focuses on building wealth in the long term over the next 10 years or so. And now I'm investing $100 per week. But for all you other guys who are starting out early, it's a good idea to do this early and invest $100 a month. Everybody can afford that, right? Shouldn't be too bad. These are the dividend stocks that I currently own. Alright? And today, what I'm going to do next, I really do like REITs, but with inflation the way it is, if rates go up, real estate could go down. I'm not really sure how that's going to work out in the long term. Overall, real estate's a good investment. But right now, what I want to do is I want to go with another undervalued stock that you probably haven't heard of. Maybe you have. Alright? Let's go down here. Crypto. It's not doing good today. So what I'm looking for here is a good play for the long term. The consumer staple, and you probably have some of these products in your house. Be my guess. Okay, I missed it somewhere. Alright, Coke is another good one. That's a great consumer staple. Who can live without a Coke? I know, polarizing subject, Coke and Pepsi. Don't judge me, because I like Coke, okay? Oh, here it is, Colgate. Alright, Colgate Palmolive. PE is about 27. Yield is a little low, 2%. Oh, it's 2%. I thought it was higher than that. I must have been looking at it before. Alright, well, okay, I'm not doing 2%. I need at least 4%, okay? That's kind of one of my things that I like to see. I like to see at least 4%. Clorox is another good one. PE also is decent, 24, but yield is 2.5%. Come on, guys, you're killing me. What's going on here? I might have to revert back to my other play. Let's look at one more. Johnson & Johnson. What do we got? Alright, PE 29, yield 2%. Come on. See, that means these stocks are way overvalued. They should be spitting out a 4% yield is what we normally see for dividend investing stocks. Okay. So I'm going to go with how's Pepsi doing actually? How are they doing here? 2%, PE 27, no. Alright, so I'm going to go with stocks that aren't very popular right now. A lot of you guys know have been investing in electric vehicle companies. Tesla, Solo, CCIV. Go check out my other videos if you want to do some growth investing instead of dividend investing. But here is the key. Oil stocks are severely out of favor right now. Alright? And let's go back up to a couple oil stocks that I actually have. So I like those the best. Alright? Here we have, what do we got? What kind of oil stock do you think we should get? Oh, here's an oil pipeline. Alright? Plains, All American Pipeline. So basically they're a pipeline, they move oil and gas around. Now see, this is a good stock. Alright, PE ratio is 15, dividend yield 6. Alright, you can't beat that for the long term, okay? Even if the yield goes down, the stock's going to go through the roof. And, okay, a lot of things people don't know, okay? Oil is in everything. They're in your clothing, it's in plastics. Oil is never going to go away completely, okay? You might not pump it into your car or your truck or whatever, but oil and gas, natural gas, it's not going anywhere. All right, you can make all the solar and wind, but there's still some things you can't replace, and natural gas is one of those. So for the long term, Enable Midstream is another really good one. So tell me what you guys think I should do in the comments below. See, the PE ratio here is a little high. Earnings have been going up, but I'm going with this one. All right, so I'm going to trade. I'm going to buy $100. Done. Now, see, okay, I'm done with that trade now. Awesome. Now we have another 100 shares in our account. And I'll be sitting pretty, collecting dividends on that for the next 10 years or so when I potentially could look at selling some of these stocks. Alright guys, tell me what you think of oil and gas in the comments below. I know it's not popular, but it is profitable. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe for the daily options trade, more dividend investing and wealth building techniques, and make sure you smash that like button for this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching.